Hello, Genette Howard here with the Restoration Place. It's been a difficult past couple of months for our nation, but that's not going to stop us from honoring amazing mothers on Mother's Day. We want to give away two $100 digital gift cards to a couple of special moms, and you can help us choose those. If you have an amazing mother or mother figure who has helped to nurture you, you can nominate her by dropping her picture, her name, and what makes her so amazing in the comment section on our Facebook page. We'll take your nominations and choose two special women to receive $100 digital gift cards to her favorite store. Happy Mother's Day! Come on, let's nominate those amazing moms. God bless.